Get ready to hit the road in style with our 2022 Toyota Corolla Cross LE. This well-maintained and affordable used SUV is equipped with all-wheel drive, making it perfect for any terrain. And the best part? It comes with a factory warranty, so you can drive with peace of mind. But that's not all. We also offer our exclusive 12-month huggable guarantee to give you even more confidence in your purchase. Step inside and experience ultimate comfort with heated seats. Perfect for those chilly winter mornings. The rear camera ensures easy parking and added safety on the road. Plus, with blind spot monitoring, you'll have a clear view of your surroundings at all times. This Corolla Cross LE also features alloys for a stylish look. And at Canada's huggable car dealer, we make car buying easy with full financing options, zero down payments, and we even take trades. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Come test drive this beauty today.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya.